it has been scientifically proven that music reduces stress level in our body and relaxes our minds and brain, and also reduces the cortisol level and increases our mental health and alertness. And that is why many of the students who have less concentration while studying prefer listening to music while studying. But my dear friends, a deep research has been done on the fact by the University of Phoenix that music while studying is treated as multitasking by human brain. And music while studying reduces your IQ level by 10 points. And another research has been done on the fact by University of Wales in UK that students studying in deep silence are performing much better than those students who are studying with music. So friends, it is strongly advisable that if you are listening to music while studying, drift away from music to deep silence, and certainly you will realize that you are doing much better and you are able to concentrate much better than what you were doing right then. Okay, so this is Vardan Sahu wishing you all the best.